Hello friends, this is Jake. Welcome to this video. Sorry I haven't been making videos for a while. It's been almost 2 months. Had some work, so good thing is I'm back. Alright, so this video is going to be a short one. We'll do a quick portfolio update. And so for the day, I'm up by 0.73%. Last video, my account was at $67,000. The idea for this account is to get it to 100,000, and at one point this account was actually at $90,000, so it's just $10,000 short of reaching 100,000. But then due to the dip in the last 2 weeks, account is back to 80,000, but it's still 13,000 up compared to the last video. I'm pretty sure that by the end of this year, this account is going to be at 100,000 as long as the market doesn't drop further. So let's go ahead. For the week, down by 5.59%. For the month, down by 4.10%. For the 3 months, still up by 6.72%. For the past year, up by 22.37%. Overall, up by 27.19%. In terms of portfolio, the only change is Boeing. I added Boeing as purely as an option play to sell options against. My average cost for Boeing is actually $170. So there is a $14 unrealized loss per share for my Boeing, but I've sold almost $20 worth of premium with Boeing. So technically my dollar cost average is $150, so I'm in a profit of $6.26. Other than that, I have JP Morgan. Still I have the JP Morgan. It hasn't been sold yet, so I'm able to sell premium. So that has been going pretty well. And JP Morgan actually dropped in the last 2 days from nearly, it was sitting around $100 and now it's at 94. But my actually average cost is actually 93. So even on that, I'm on a profit, and I've made plenty of money by selling options on this one. So in the next video, most probably I'm going to show you an actual how I roll this to the next year. That is how I do a short call. Short call means I buy for this week, back, and then sell for the following week. So I'll show you that in the next video. That's all I had for today, folks. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay blessed. Bye.